Leveling kits are some of the most popular upgrades on the market for the 1999 to 2018 F250 and F350 Super Duties. While there's a ton of different leveling kits out there with an array of different ride heights, at their core, all leveling kits help eliminate the very noticeable factory rake of your truck and provide clearance for larger wheel and tire combinations. Despite the large selection of Super Duty leveling kits out there on the market, there are only a couple of different types of leveling kits out there for the Super Duty trucks. The most basic type of Super Duty leveling kit are spacer leveling kits. These kits use either a front coil spring or leaf spring spacer to add ride height and provide some extra front lift without doing much either for or against your truck's ride quality and handling. Spacer kits are generally less expensive than other leveling kit types, which saves you some cash when it comes to getting your truck standing taller up front. The biggest drawback of spacer leveling kits is that they're basic, and kits that only include spacers do nothing for your ride and throw off your truck's axle alignment to at least some extent. That being said, some spacer leveling kits do include track bar drop brackets and other hardware, which negates these issues, though those kits are more expensive than basic spacers. The second type of Super Duty leveling kit are coil spring leveling kits. These kits come with new front coil springs or new leaf packs on older Super Duty models that add ride height due to a larger spring, stiffer spring rate, or both methods. Many coil spring leveling kits also come with new shocks, which work together with a revised spring to improve both on- and off-road handling and performance. Some coil spring leveling kits come with extremely powerful shocks that can provide a dramatic performance increase for your truck, especially when ripping around off-road. The main drawback to coil spring leveling kits is their price. Spring kits are almost always more pricey than basic spacers, especially systems that come with piggyback or remote reservoir shocks. Still, if you're looking for a performance improvement and a level, you can't really go wrong with a coil spring kit, assuming they're within your budget. Click the link at the end of this video or head to our website at stage3motorsports.com to check out all of the 1999 to 2018 Super Duty leveling kits we offer.